Hi, this is Zeal from ZAD, and I'm going to show you some demos of the pacing gaits in the Dead Pace animation pack I am releasing for the Teegle horses. These work on both the Teegle pets and the Teegle standard avatar. Should work on some of the body mods as well, if not all of them. Anyway, so these are animations based off of the Standardbred horse and other gaited horses, but mostly the Standardbred. This is a gait where both legs on the same side move together. So the front and the hind on the left side will move in unison, as opposed to a diagonal gait like the trot, where the front left and the back right move together. This is the slowest gait, the first one I made. Slowest pace. This is also a dead pace, so both hooves hit the ground at the same time on the same side. This is the slowest animation. Alright, and then this is the fast pace. This is the same animation, a little bit faster, and I've made a few tweaks here and there to make the horse look a little bit stiffer, because it is now moving at speed. And this is the last animation. This is the racing pace. This pace is based off of the Standardbred racehorses in the harness races, which are quite popular in Ontario, where I live. This one is edited from the other two, except far more exaggerated in the length of stride. Just to show that this horse is really reaching out to get that speed. And that is it for my demo. Thanks for watching. I hope you consider purchasing. And I hope to see you racing in World.